In this tutorial, we will cover how to compare your source to your target. Once you are happy with your schema map, click Compare A to B. This will open the Comparison Results tab. In this example, we can see we have a combination of additions, updates and deletions. If we click onto the ad, we can see the results to be added. Clicking onto Update shows us the differences between the source and target that will be updated during the sync. These differences are highlighted in yellow on the preview. Clicking on Delete shows us the records to be deleted from the target. The delete function is disabled by default but can be enabled in the connection properties. The Compare tab has a few functions available. One of these is Clear All, where you can clear all of the checks from the records to be synced. This allows you to pick and choose what you want to be included in the sync. You can then check all of the checkboxes using Check All. You can then export the comparison results to an Excel spreadsheet or as an XML file.